Hello everyone, today we are going to see how Teddy Bear does his whole day. He is going to walk the stairs. Oh, it's a very nice day. Let's walk. And it is very crowded. And I will walk the stairs. I love to walk stairs. It's the favorite exercise. And there's the garden. I'm able to see so many things. Let's walk. We are almost to the roof. Let's go to the roof. Here. What a wonderful day. It's very good. Wow. I am feeling very refreshed. Ooh. Let's see. Oh my God, it's going to rain. It's going to rain. Yes, my granny is right. So I want to pluck a leaf. I have took one leaf and I will sit. I am very tired of all this walking and I've took a leaf. What shall I make it? I should just took a leaf, just throw it. Then it'll be a compost. It'll be dry leaves. Wow, I am. And let's see Teddy's yoga. Let's see Teddy's yoga. Hey Teddy, can you show us how do you do your yoga? So you have to show us. Okay, I will show you my yoga. Hiya! Punch! Wow, that was very good, Teddy Bear. I want to climb top of those tents. Okay, you can climb. That's your choice. You should be careful though. Oh wow, Teddy Bear is able to climb so high. Wow, the trees are making good wind. Trees give us oxygen. And it is very windy. Indeed. Also more leaves are falling. So how is the view, Teddy? It's very windy and also a good day for jumping. I wish I could just sit and relax. Teddy, do you want to walk? Ooh, Teddy loves to walk. Let's walk. I just walk a little bit. I will just sit for a moment. Ooh, I have sat for a moment. So, Teddy, what will you eat for dinner? Maybe my favorite vegetable, lemon. Okay, you'll have lemon for dinner. And this ear is quite nice. Isn't it, Teddy Bear? Yes, I am very excited because it's going to rain. I don't know it's going to rain or not. Okay, so let's sit. And let's sit for 1 hour. 1 hour later. Wow, it was so beautiful. I want to. It's very relaxing. And we can relax. And there's your mother. Your mother is sitting. Yeah, and those bugs. Those are some bugs. Those are bugs. And it is very populated. There is a huge population in India. Yes, I am. I am 2 years old, and it is a very good weather. And it's not a very good weather. I mean, it's raining a lot. I mean, it's not raining. I'm not outside when it rains. I'm just happy. I'm at least walking a little bit. Let's go in their roof. Let's go. I don't know what surprise is there for today. Okay, our neighbor's roof. And now we have gone. And why is this tank like this? We don't know. And this is a very good tank. And there is a pigeon. Pigeon, come pigeon. You will never run from me. That's a pigeon. Entirely pigeon. I love birds too. Okay, thank God I was not dirty because it was pooping. And I will sit for a little longer, for 2 hours. So let's do it. 2 hours later. Oh my God. It was 2 hours. Even then, it's not raining. I am very, 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 very comfortable type of. I'll just sleep for 2 hours. 2 hours later. I slept for 2 hours. And my granny is saying something. Let's listen. क्या बोल रहे?
गुआवा का पौधा है.
Oh, guava. Let's see, a guava plant is here. I mean, not a tree. Oh, निकालते हैं.
यहाँ निकाल के उसमें लगा देंगे तो एक दिन.
वो निकल नहीं सकते.
निकलेगा. बने दाम.
Okay, anyways, there is a guava miniature plant. This is the one. We'll take it out. It has the roots. This is the roots. I love roots. And we have taken it out. Let's keep it in a place. Okay, we have kept there that guava plant you can see here. And my mother is sitting and seeing her interview things. Isn't it, mommy? Are you happy? Okay, she is happy. So it's a very hot day in the morning, isn't it? It is very windy. I fly in the air. Oh my God. I want to sit in your granny's. I'm feeling good. Wow, it's very windy. Wow, I like it. Are you fine, Mr. Teddy Bear? I am very fine. I am feeling very happy. So I'll explore and do something. So we have this pigeon. This is Jin. Go! Get out here, pigeon! Okay, it's very windy. Look at those trees. Those trees are not going to fall. Actually, some trees may fall because their roots are not so enough strong. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It is very windy. It's very windy. Indeed, very, very windy. And very deed. It's very windy. Indeed. Whoa, it was very windy. You don't want to get. Teddy wants to just have to see what's in the sand. Oh, this is sand. We have here. Oh, Teddy wants to just sit and he doesn't want to do any work. I think dinner he'll not get. Maybe he doesn't do, when he doesn't do work, he says, I'll never take dinner. It's like that. He does, if he has not done any work, then he'll say no dinner. And when he does some work, then he says, honey, can you give me dinner? And he is not doing any work, so he'll not say to me dinner or dinner. Are you hungry? Teddy, are you hungry? No. When I don't work, I am not hungry. So he always says, I am not hungry. And just let's sit. And just sit for a while. For 2 hours. I'll sit for 2 hours. 2 hours later. Oh, it's getting extremely windy. Guys, whoa. This is extremely windy indeed. Oh my God, where I'm going to, oh my God, it is very windy indeed. Thank God I'm not doing anything special. Anyways, can't I just see what's there? Is that Imli or something? Let's find out. We shall not eat anything. Any leaves, even any leaves. Oh, tree. Oh wait, I'm getting a little nervous. And I'll ask to my mom, what is this? Which leaf is this? From there. From here.
Oh,
Which tree leaf is it?
this is sesame.
Sesame? I thought it was imli. Because imli leaves look like this. Oh, it's not edible. Let's do not eat it. Okay, so it's an extremely windy day. And it's very. Let's see what are the other BCCL quarters doing. I'm not the BCCL. I'm the BSNL. Look at that man driving. You have to look closer. Maybe 10. What is on the road? Let's see. Oh, there are 2 dogs and one lady walking. This looks quite nice. It's like I'm in a satellite map. Everything looks like this. Let's just look in normal view. Yes, it is very crowded. Whoa! It's very windy indeed. Whoa! It's very, very windy indeed. Okay, we'll just have to wait. Whoa! Will it make me to fly? I'm flying! Oh, I was dizzy. Anyways, let's see. Mr. Teddy is fine. And everyone is fine. My mom also. Oh, I wish I could be tall. And I could be taller than this entire building. No, then everyone has to be taller than that entire building. Maybe, let's see, in divisor mode. Or very close. Let's say not divisor mode. It's their home. It's very windy indeed. So they are taking their coats inside. And we will just walk here. We don't have any work. And just gossiping around. We don't have any work. Whoa, that tree was very windy indeed. So I will just sit for 2 hours. Yes, and it is already 2 hours. Oh, it's very good. In the morning, let's see those buildings. In far places, we can see it. Okay, we don't need to go so tiny. Whoa, whoa! It's very windy. Indeed. Woo! Ah! It's very windy indeed. The building is moving. Oh, that was a very windy day. And let's see what are these cuddly, wuddly trees. Wow, those are big trees. So let's sit for 10 hours. It's a lovely day. Let's see towards the sky. Oh, it is a very hot day. Oh, my buds are I was about to lie. This floor is very extremely hot. Let's see. Tweet, 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 tweet. And tweet, tweet. There is so many. My grandma and my mother are discussing. Okay, anyways, I will just see here. Wow, that's a lot of clicks. So let's increase our looking size extremely, even for things. Oh, is this fluffy cotton candy? I do not eat cotton candy, but even then, whoa, the floor is quite hot. It's very, very hot. And it's fine, it's hot. Then our buds who have catch cold, their buds will be fine. Just I'll touch it. That's hot quite. Oh, the black surface is also hot. Okay. So these are hot. And let's just discuss about some trees. These trees, they don't have strong roots. They should have strong roots. We should water them every day, even from big trucks. That's what. And let's see, what is that rat hole even doing here? Ooh, birds are there on the tree. So let's just go in this rat hole. This is the place where water goes. All the water will not get jammed in. Instead, it'll get going in this hole. Whoa, guys, whoa. I'm so small. Whoa! This is a very windy day. It is making my house to shake. Whoa. Oh, it's shaking a little bit. Oh my God. It was a very windy day indeed. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? There's a pipe. नहीं गिराएंगे. Oh, बहुत जो, and that is a very windy day. It was a very windy day. So we have said to Mr. Teddy what is he going to eat. And if you liked my video, like and subscribe to my channel. Isn't it, Teddy Bear? Say like and subscribe to everyone. Like and subscribe to his channel. Bye and thank you. So like and subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more videos like this, comment, then I can make more videos like this. Bye and thank you.